Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti Varshne and I'm a solo traveler from India. For those of you who are new to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos and yeah, just let's get into it. A lot of people on Instagram ask me how they can pursue their dreams. मुझे मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है कि इसके लिए मैं आंसर नहीं कर सकती, बट आई विल स्टिल ट्राई एंड probably be a motivation for you all to go for your dream, fight for it, chase it, just love what you do. So I am going to give you 5 points, like according to my experiences, of how you can also pursue your dreams. The first point is find what you love. Probably the most important thing is that you should know what you love. You can't just be out there and say I want to follow my dream. What is your dream? My dream can't be your dream. It has to be your own. It can be anything. It can be unconventional. It can be very mediocre. It can be anything that makes you happy, and anything that you want to do for the rest of your life without being bored and without, there are hard times in everyone's life, and even in those times you still want to pursue that. So I want you to find that passion that drives you crazy. The second point is to get inspired and motivated. How you can do is you can go online, find out people who are actually doing the same thing, like in that particular niche. Read more about them, read their success stories, read their interviews. It actually helps when we are into this world where we don't know what we love, and then suddenly we find what we love, but we don't know how we can actually achieve that. When I found that I really love traveling, I went on Facebook and tried searching for people who were actually traveling full time, and started reading about them and knowing what they actually do and how they actually did. Yeah, that's how I got inspired and motivated to start my journey when I had no clue how to do that. So the third point is surround yourself with people who are actually ambitious and who wants to, follow their dreams too. It doesn't necessarily have to be in your niche, but here the point is that you need good company where people are also ambitious. They are hungry to, follow their passion and can motivate you when you lag. I mean, there are hard times too. There are times when you don't know where to go exactly. A lot of times I've lost my way. I had no clue where to go. But because I had people who were always pushing me, who were always there for me, and they were also following their passion, it just automatically keeps me positive. And yeah, surrounding yourself around good people is very important. Okay, the fourth point is make that decision. It will take time. It won't happen overnight. It won't be a flick decision. No, it won't be. It will take you months. It will take you a lot of planning. And if you are somebody who would like to plan things ahead, go do it. But don't stop. Don't stop in the midway. It is going to be a really long way. You have to make that decision that this is what you want to do for the rest of your life. There should be no second thoughts. You have to be very clear in your headspace, like this is it. Let it take weeks, let it take months, but keep trying. Don't lose your focus. Okay, the last point is extremely important. Do not stop. Following a passion, following a dream is never going to be easy. It will test you for sure. It will break you into pieces at times. It will be a blood and sweat thing, but it is going to be worth it, okay? There'll be times when you won't know where to go. You will feel that whatever you're doing is not right. You will fall back. but the ultimate goal is to always come back, always stand up again, always do the right thing, always follow your heart, and just keep doing what you love. Don't stop, don't settle for less, don't judge yourself. It can be very weird, it can be very simple, it can be very unconventional, it can be really hard, but this is what you love. I mean, for me, traveling was easy for me, but for everyone around me, it wasn't really a normal thing. They still feel that whatever I'm doing is quite funny, and I can't really live like that. But I like it this way. I love traveling, I love being on the road, and this makes me happy. So I am doing this, and this is like, I am passionate about it. I will keep doing what I love, despite the money issues, the emotional problems, the family issues, the society pressure, despite everything. This is what I do, and this is what I love. And I hope this video is gonna help you. Yeah, drop in a comment telling me if this helps, and maybe if you have any other question, you can drop down. I will surely reply.